whoo app frozen location. So how to set it up? So you just go to whoo app, tap on gear icon, and then there is ghost mode. And then in the bottom, you will see that there is a frozen location setting. So friends set to frozen will see your last location prior to being frozen and will no longer receive a location updates. So that's basically the idea. So friends set to frozen can see that you have frozen them. And how then to set your friends? So then you just select your friend, and then in the top you see how you want your friends to see you, like precise, blurred, or frozen. So you just select frozen, and then you select set the duration, 2 hours, 8 hours, 24 hours, or until turned off. So then that's it. Then you just selected your friend like that. And then yeah, you can then just set it like this. Set again on the friend and set on precise, and then the friend will see the precise location again. So something around this.